class? Hope all are fine. Yes, today's class is about English. Okay, we'll recall what we have studied all these days, children. Yes, children, you have learned 13 letters all these days, right? Yes. So, we'll see which are all those 13 letters you have learned. That is S, N, P, T, A, B, M, R, L, O, C, D, H. Today you are going to learn the letter F, children. Already you have learned 13 letters. Today the 14th letter, that is F. F says F. Okay, F. Okay. Shall we start coloring, children? Shall we? Yes. So, we shall color the letter F. See here. From here to the upper part. Okay. Then coming down. Then one line here. Okay. Yes. Yes. Shall we continue coloring like this? Now the letter F says F is also looking colorful, right? Yes. We shall see some words and pictures, okay? The pictures which are beginning. Yes, see few pictures here, children. Can you see? Yes, you can see the letter F says F. Can you see? S. So we shall read what are those letters and the meanings. The first one, it is a fly, right? Yes. What do you mean by fly, children? Fly means it's an insect. Okay. Can you see the fly here? Yes, it is an insect. It can fly. It can move. Okay, it can fly by using its wings. You can see the wings here. With the help of the wings, it will fly. The next one, it is fan. Okay, this is hand one. Okay, the fan which you can use with your hands. You can swing. So, you can get a air. The fan helps to get the air. Okay, even we have a electric fan also. The next one is fish. Fish means, you all know what it is a fish. It is a water animal, children. Okay, and the fish is cold-bodied animal. Why? Because it will be always in the water. It will have the gills and fins. Okay, which help to swim in the water. Right? Yes. Next one, it is a fire. That is very dangerous. You need not go to near the fire, children. The fire which helps to cook. It gives us the light, right? Yes, it gives us heat, smoke. Okay, if you put iron inside or if it is burnt, you will bear the pain. You will get pain. Okay. The next one is frog. Frog, okay, it is a amphibian which it doesn't have the tails and it has a soft body, children. This body will be very soft. Okay, and it will have a squat body. Okay, and it will have long legs, little bit of long legs which helps to limp. It will limp. Okay. Next one, it is a frock. You all know. It is a dress where girls will wear, the women's will wear. It will have short frocks, long frocks and all. Okay, it helps to cover our body. Next, it is fiddle. Fiddle means it's a violin, children. It's a musical instrument. Okay, it's like violin. Next one, fingers. How many fingers you have, children? You have 5 fingers. In one hand, you will have 5 fingers. All together with your hands and leg, you will have 20. Okay, each hand will have 5 fingers. So, see here, the first finger, that is thumb finger. This is a thumb finger. The next one is the index finger. This is a middle finger and it will be longer than other fingers. Okay. And this is a ring finger and this is a, what do you say? Pinky. The small finger, little finger. It is also said as pinky. Okay. So you know these are our fingers. Okay. Hope you understood. Moving on to the writing part, children, we'll write F. First, we'll write the capital letter F, children. Okay? Yes. How do you write? See, using one standing line and two sleeping lines. Okay? See here. One standing line, one sleeping line with this top. Okay? From here, one sleeping line and down one more sleeping line. This is F, right? Yes. Once again, one standing line and two sleeping lines. This is F. Okay. Once again, we'll trace one standing line and two sleeping lines. Okay. One standing line and two sleeping lines. This is F says full. Now we are going to write F says full. See here, from down, go little bit slant, take a loop like this, come down, again bend like this, go up and just bend like this and come out. This is full. See here, slant, go up, come back down like this, again bend, go up, go little this side, take a loop like this and come out. This is F says full. Okay, you should practice, children. You may find little bit difficult in writing full. See here, go like this, come down, again go up, come out like this, take a loop and a tail. This is F says full. Understood? See here, slant, go up, take a loop, come down, again go up, take a loop here and the tail. Okay, here also go like this, come down, again go up, take a loop like this and the tail. Okay, this is F says full. The capital letter F, it is easy, children. See here, one standing line and two sleeping lines. That is one in the first line, one in the second line. This is F. One standing line and one more sleeping line and one sleeping line. See, standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. This is F. Okay? F. We'll put the dots here. Okay? Yes, see here, like this. Okay? Here I'll put two dots for the three lines. Yes. Next, once again, we are going to write the same letter, that is F. See here. F. One standing line and two sleeping lines. Okay. Now we'll write F says full. See here, from this third line, go up, touch the red line, children. Take a loop like this, come down. Here, touch the down red line. Okay, touch the down red line. Again, go up and loop and come out. This is full. Okay, see here. Starting from the third line, going up, touching the red line, coming down, touch the down red line. Here you will use the 4 lines also, children. Otherwise, you used to use to writing the cursive letters 2 or 3 lines. Here you are going to use the 4 lines. Okay, See here, slant, go up, take a loop, come down, again go up and a tail like this. Okay, this is F. Okay, here I am going to put the dots like this. Okay. Yes. Here I am going to draw. Sorry, put 2 dots. Okay. Yes. F. Okay. See here. Slant, go up, come down, again go up and take a tail like this. Okay. This is F. From here, go up, come down, again go up and a tail. Okay. Here, slant, go up, come down, go up like this and a tail. Here you can see, children, I have given 3 and 2 letter words, that is sat, S-A-T, sat, O-R, or, R-O-B, rob. Okay. Next, it is mom, M-O-M, mom, M-O-O, moo, moo. Okay. So, write this, children. Full page we have to write. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.